Foreign Affairs Minister Vivian Balakrishnan will be in Bangkok to attend the 52nd ASEAN Foreign Ministers Meeting from tomorrow till Friday. Dr. Balakrishnan will also take part in other related meetings with ASEAN foreign ministers.
They will take stock of progress in regional cooperation, as well as discuss key regional and international developments. He will also take part in conferences with counterparts such as China, the European Union and the United States. Now, one of them is the ASEAN-EU Ministerial Meeting, which Dr. Balakrishnan will co-chair with representatives from the European Union.
During this meeting, they will discuss key deliverables on areas such as cybersecurity.